Okay, guys, we're going to go ahead and get started. I hope you guys are doing well and having fun at home. The first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to go over your checklist today, and then I will go through each slide so that you guys feel really good about them. Okay, so your checklist today is the first thing you're going to do is do your math slides. We're still working on adding numbers together, and then you're going to do 15 minutes of I Ready Math. The second thing you're going to do is you're going to do your grammar slides and do 15 minutes of I Ready Reading. The third thing you're going to do is listen to the turkey read aloud. It's the same story that you heard yesterday, but if you need a refresher of the story, go ahead and watch it again and then answer the reading questions. The fourth thing you're going to do is listen to a story about Thanksgiving, okay? And that's your social studies lesson for the day. And then I would like you to get on Google Classroom again and practice those sight words. Again, if you do not know what color you should start on, please let me know. And you'll do that for about 10 minutes. And then the last thing you could do is get on ABCR Bookflix and it's completely up to you. If you get done with everything super fast and you want to get on ABCR or Bookflix, you're more than welcome to. And if you have any questions about logging on, again, have your parents dojo me. Okay, let's get started. With your math, we are working on drive-through digits today. So these are kind of fun. They have some fast food things on them, okay? It says put the correct number of items on the tray to make 10, okay? So you would move the cup, okay? Just like this, you would move the cup. I'm going to do this first one so you guys can see because this is kind of difficult, just kind of confusing. So I move 3 cups because it said 3. And then I'm going to move 7 tacos on the tray, excuse me. 1, 2, oh, sorry. 2, 3, might have to move them around. 4, so they all fit. 5, 6, and 7. Okay, and now I'm going to count them all to make sure it makes 10, okay? So it's kind of like 3 plus 7, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right? We have everything to make 10. All right. You're going to do the same thing. You're going to move the items. So you'd have to move 1 hamburger and 9 other, that looks like a cheeseburger, 9 cheeseburgers onto the tray. 4 cups and 6 cookies onto the tray. 10 cheeseburgers and 0 cups. 2 hamburgers and 8 cheeseburgers. 5 cheeseburgers and 5 hamburgers. All right, that's all you have to do for your math. Again, you're moving those items onto the tray to make sure that there's 10 on the tray. So after you're done moving them, please point and count to them to make sure that you have 10. We're working on making 10 like we have been in the classroom. Then you're going to go back to this read aloud again. And I know you listened to it yesterday, but maybe you need to listen to it again. So go ahead and press play and listen to 'Twas the Night Before Thanksgiving. And then we're going to work on beginning, middle, and end today. We have worked on this in the classroom, so you should have no problem with this. You're going to go ahead and you're going to type the best you can the beginning of the story, type the middle of the story, and type the end of the story, okay? So you're just going to tell me briefly what happens in the beginning, middle, and the end. Again, you are trying your best to type, okay? Just like you do in Writer's Workshop, okay? So tapping out your words, writing it the best you can, okay? And then you have some comprehension questions. I'm going to go ahead and read these questions to you so you know exactly what to do. Number 1 says, why were the kids sad? What was the problem? Go ahead and type it right here in the box. What did Farmer Mac Nugget do when the children started crying? Type it in this box. How did the children save the turkeys? Type it in this box. What did the kids and their families eat on Thanksgiving? Type it in this box. Okay, you're going to work on your grammar again of singular and plural nouns. Remember, singular means there's only one, so it does not have an S on the end. And plural means that there's more than one, so the word will have an S on the end. Or sometimes ES if it ends in a digraph, like CH, SH, TH. Okay, so I'm just going to show you these and read them. You should know what to do right now with these. because you've been doing them for a couple of days. I smell a skunk or skunks. We see many goose or geese. This one's kind of tricky, okay? It was a wolf or wolves. There are two squirrel or squirrels. I see five chicken or chickens. She has a few rabbit or rabbits. And then the last thing you're going to do today is you're going to watch this story about Thanksgiving. When you're done with that, you can get on your iReady if you haven't already, reading and math. Get on Google Classroom, work on those sight words. And if you would like to do something extra, you could get on BookFlix or ABC. Yeah, that is it, guys. Have a lot of fun today working on this, and I will see you very soon.